Hi all, I'm Ernest, the CEO of Texplor Group of companies, and today I have the pleasure to talk a little bit about modular multi-sensor monitoring. A very good example for modular multi-sensor monitoring is our cooperation with the Dow company. Dow is a very big chemical industry. We provide for this industry different sensor technologies on the same places. A complete set of documentations for the TÜV, internal quality management, documentation of several parameters of an object which can be evaluated, analyzed at the same time. So a lot more information is available with this multi-sensor technology.
Right now we have several parameters in the catalog. So we have our two own developed technologies, which is the leakage monitoring and the movement monitoring. Since the beginning of 2024, together with Dow Chemicals, we have tests for corrosion monitoring, and we have several add-ons we can easily put together with our other technologies, such as temperature, rain, wind, or acceleration of your objects. So everything is coming out of one hand in one database. So you have all those parameters in your TEX-SKY Monitoring Cloud. And with this monitoring cloud, it's easy to find correlations between those data.
That means, first, the internal quality management of the company has an enormous amount of data available and can document every step in the development of this object. Second, with these reports you can also arrange with the TÜV, when they are accepted, that a lifetime can be prolonged. Yeah, as long as the system is working okay, as long as the sealing is completely functional, there is no need to make maintenance on that one.
So with this technology, you can extend the service life of your containments. You don't have to empty every 5 years your containment, your concrete basin, for example, or your tanks, and visualize, look at leakages. We measure this 24/7 for you, and you have the results in our cloud, which is the TEX-SKY. So it's possible for the client to measure his whole facility and have an easy overview over it. Additionally, we can give you also an alarm when something is happening, of course. So is there a sudden movement? As soon as a leakage happens, you get automatically an alarm, and this is all maintained by Texplor.
For Dow Chemicals, the whole range of application is available. They have buildings which have settlements because they are close to a river. They have tanks which could be moving or could get a leakage. They have whole tank farms which have to be monitored. They have old concrete basins where you can definitely activate them by retrofitting of our sensor systems, and they have new installations where from the beginning on we can install our sensor technology. With all the documents available, permanent internal quality management and agreement of the TÜV, the client can be sure that he has protected and optimized the protection of the environment to a maximum.
With our technology, we can give them a report every year or after 5 years, a big report which shows to the TÜV there is no leakage, the containment is safe, and Dow Chemicals saves a lot of money because of this one. And of course, not just saves a lot of money, it's also good for the environment.
The largest advantage from our systems is that it can be retrofitted. That means we can not only adjust a system, a tailored system to a new basin, but we can also adjust to any old basin and can monitor this with the same quality like a new one. So Texplor Group has worldwide installations. In the landfill, it focuses mainly on China. In the chemical industry and in the power industry, it's mainly in Europe. And in the mining and in the water management, it's mainly Latin America. So when we analyze today's situation with these modular multi-sensor monitoring systems, which provide big data to the client, we can see both sides. On the client side, we optimized the downtime of the systems and prolonged the lifetime of the systems. That means for him also he can save a lot of money on the maintenance. And on the environmental side, we can see very positive that even the smallest defects, the smallest leakages can be noticed and can immediately make an alarm. So the environmental side is optimized and protected. So this is the good news for both. And good news, of course, is also for the community that nobody will stop there. These systems will be developed further and the new add-ons are already in development.